Alright, this video is going to tell you how to add windshield wiper fluid to your car. As long as you can store this bottle in your garage or in your closet or something, you're good to go, and you never need a shop to fill up your wiper fluid, especially if they're going to charge for it. A lot of times when you get your oil change, the shop will say, we topped off all your fluids, we added wiper fluid and everything. But really, you can buy this bottle for $8 at AutoZone, and you can do this in 30 seconds. Alright, so once you have your hood open, you're going to be looking around in the engine bay. What you're looking for is for this right here. You're gonna know it's wiper fluid because normally you're gonna see this picture right here. So that's your windshield and the wipers, and then you've got the fluid that's supposed to be spraying on it. Normally it's also gonna say washer fluid only, and it's normally gonna be a pretty easy tank to see. Like you can see here, this one's already pretty much full, but we're just gonna top it off a little bit more. Sometimes though you cannot see this tank, and you can only see like one spigot that comes out, and you just have to add it in there until you see it at the top. Now, like I said, it's super easy. All I gotta do is take the top off and then take your fluid and pour it in there. Close it back up and you're done. Here on this engine, it's on the other side, but same thing. You just look for this standard windshield wiper picture, washer fluid only, take it off and fill it up. Important thing to note is there's different types of fluid depending on what you want on your windshield and the time of year. This one's for use above 32 degrees. Where I live, it doesn't really ever get below 32 degrees, and so this is going to be fine. You also have some specialty ones that are for water repellent, you know, like a Windex type thing that cleans your windshield and keeps the water off. You also have some that keeps the bugs off. So if you live in a place like Florida, you get those love bugs hitting your windshield all the time. Use the bug stuff, and that helps keep the bugs off your windshield. But like I said, that's all there is to it. Really easy maintenance and something to keep up with on your own, and for pretty cheap.